Hey, what's going on, everybody? What I want to talk to y'all today about is TikTok. For anybody out there who's trying to get traffic to anything they're trying to promote, any kind of business, any kind of affiliate link, and they don't, mind getting in front of the camera or shooting videos, TikTok is a place to really get an enormous amount of traffic. I'm sure some people know that, and some people still don't know that, but TikTok is a way to get a lot of traffic to whatever it is you're trying to promote. I don't have any videos on TikTok right now. I got a profile and a link in my profile or whatnot, and I still get a lot of traffic with no videos, or people who market stuff like I do that know me, follow me, but I still get a lot of traffic to my profile. Just imagine if I was shooting content over there. Now, one reason me personally I haven't done that is because I'm busy with other stuff, and the other reason is I don't want to get started with that and they hadn't straightened out the ban. I will be hating to put in all that work, and this ban thing still is, above all of us. So they gonna have to get that straightened out before I put all my time into it. But if people want to take a chance, I would suggest you would start shooting TikTok videos and start putting your link in your profile, and you will start seeing that you're getting a lot of visitors to your profile. And they got a thing now where if you never downloaded before the app, you'll get $8 in TikTok Shop coupons. I heard a lot about TikTok Shop, but I actually went over there, I say about an hour or two ago, and look, they got some interesting stuff over there. So if you've never been in TikTok Shop, once you sign up, you can check it out. So now this is my page or affiliate link that you would go to sign up with TikTok. You get $8 in rewards. You're a new user who downloads TikTok for the first time, and it tells what what they want you to do. You download TikTok and create a new account. And like I said, if you're a new user who hasn't downloaded TikTok, you get $8 TikTok Shop coupon with no minimum spending. Visit the rewards page within 24 hours of sign up by tapping the profile gift icon. TikTok Shop coupons apply to all product categories, including electronic, clothing, beauty, and more. Complete tasks to get rewards and redeem them for TikTok Shop coupons. So, I think if you have, they didn't point out though, I think if you have, like if you're an existing member, I think maybe you get $1 or maybe a little more. I think it might be $1 or a little bit more in TikTok coupons, TikTok Shop coupons. So, but yeah, outside of this incentive for whatever, that they promoting, this is a plus getting the TikTok Shop coupons. But say for instance, they weren't even doing this period, you can get an enormous amount of traffic to whatever you promoting with TikTok, especially if you, a real creating video enthusiast that just love to shoot videos, and they got all kind of tools over there. But I just never really got off into that until they get this whole ban situation straightened out. But anybody else that want to go ahead and get started and take a chance with TikTok, I'm going to leave my link in the description. And I'm also going to leave a link to show you how to get started with making money with TikTok. And it's an article I wrote that's on my blog. So, with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And like I say, TikTok can really put your business on the map. I mean, there's all kind of other ways, but I mean, with all those users, with that many millions and millions and millions of users, I don't even know, they might even have 1 billion users. So, I think in the United States, I remember now, it's like 170 some million users in the United States, but I'm sure it's 1 billion and something worldwide. So, that being said, I'm going to put the links below. Y'all have a good day. Peace.